In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Nashville Hot Chicken. You're going to have to plan ahead for this recipe. The night before you actually make it, you need to prep the chicken. You're going to need about 4 pounds of bone-in chicken with a skin, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Mix the salt and pepper together and then sprinkle it over both sides of the chicken. Now place the chicken in a large bowl and cover it with plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for overnight. For the breading, you're going to need the chicken that you prepped last night, 2 cups of buttermilk, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, 1.5 tablespoons of hot sauce, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and 3 eggs. Now mix all the dry ingredients in one bowl and all the wet ingredients in another bowl. Pat the chicken dry with a paper towel. And now do the assembly line method, where you coat the chicken with a dry mixture, then dip it in the wet mixture, and then back to the dry mixture before placing it on the rack. And here's a close-up shot of the process. Wings have a lot of nooks and crannies that you gotta make sure you coat properly. In a large pot or deep fryer, preheat the oil to 350 degrees and cook the chicken in batches so you don't overcrowd it. You're going to fry the chicken for about 8 minutes or until they're all golden. While you're cooking the rest of the chicken, place the cooked chicken in an oven that's been preheated to 175 degrees on a lined baking tray. After all of the chicken has been cooked, scoop a half a cup of the oil from the pot to make a hot sauce coating for the chicken. To make that hot sauce, you're going to need that half a cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, and 4.5 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. Mix all the seasonings together and then combine it with the oil. Now coat the chicken all over with your hot sauce mixture. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you try to make this, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.